Welcome to Season 2 of MNS News.
We're excited to share with you all of the amazing things that we do here in our second year.
As our school is getting bigger, we have had a number of new educators join us this term.
Let's go know them.
Kia ora, I'm Miss Enright. I'm a learning coach in Whike, and something interesting about me is that this is my first time living in what some people would call the real New Zealand north of the Bombay Hills.
Hi, my name's Anna and I am a learning coach in Whike, and some of my favourite things are playing the drums, snowboarding, and I've just learnt to ride a ripstick.
Hi, my name's Miss Brady and I am a new learning coach in Mangapare. I love chocolate cake, so feel free to bring me any if you're doing it in your makerspace.
Hi guys, my name is Chris. I'm the new learning coach up in Popoto. I'm from New York City. I've been in New Zealand about a year and a half. I'm an outdoorsman and I love to snowboard. Generally anything outdoors, and I'm keen to give it all a try and a go.
Hi, my name is Michelle Fraser. I'm the new Learning Support Coordinator, and I'll be here on Wednesdays and Thursdays. On Monday, Tuesday and Friday I work at Taupaki School. One fun fact about me is I love dogs and I have 3 puppies at home.
Welcome to Matuanaro School. We're looking forward to learning with and from all of you.
We also caught up with the educators in Aroha Nui. Let's hear from them.
Hi, my name's Fiona Wright. You can call me Fiona. I'm the teacher in the Aroha Nui class here at Matuanaro School. We have me plus 6 teacher aides, and we also have other visiting teachers coming as well. And we have Louise that comes in on Friday to take drama.
Hi guys, I'm Kim.
Don't forget to say kia ora if you see any of the adults that work at MNS.
We also went to talk of some of our learners, both new and old, to see how their first week has gone and what they're excited for.
The first few days were a bit nerve-wracking and confusing. I'm looking forward to all the new events and meeting the new everyone here at Matuanaro this year. Yeah.
I've made a birthday cake and it says my birthday. It has 7 candles because I'm 7 years old. It's chocolate. I made it so it has red M&Ms. I made a name tag for my tote tray.
I'm looking for playing with my friends because I haven't seen them over the past few months and weeks.
I'm looking forward to making slime and playing with my friends.
It looks like MNS is already back to doing some cool things. Thanks to those learners for sharing.
Now we go to Ms. Wilkes to tell us what's going on at MNS.
Kia ora everybody, my name is Diana Wilkes and I am very lucky to be the principal at Matuanaro School, or the Tumawaki. We are in our second year at Matuanaro, and something that most people know about me already is that I love cats. And welcome to 2020. Kia ora everybody, it's Ms. Wilkes here to tell you what's coming up in week 2 of term 1 2020 at Matuanaro School. So if we're watching this today on Friday, happy birthday Matuanaro! We're 1 year old today. It was a year ago that we welcomed all of our staff and learners to our school, and they became mana whenua. Week 2, what we have coming up is a whole bunch of new learning. We've got our elective pitches happening on Friday. Our Kahui Values programs will be happening on Friday, and also next Friday we're going to be doing a fundraising event for our friends across the ditch in Australia who have been affected by all of the bushfires over there. So that's likely to be a mufti day, and more information will be coming soon. Have a awesome week, and bye for now.
That's all for this week.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see all of our episodes this season.
See you next week.